There are endless videos on YouTube right now of guys telling you how they're launching meme coins for almost no money at all, and then rugging them for instant profit and just rinsing and repeating that over and over, on sites such as Pump.fun, all the while saying that it's just for educational purposes.
I just want to tell you, this video and everything that we do is for educational and entertainment purposes only.
But let's be honest, most of these people watching these videos are just wanting to launch their own coins and cash out for quick money. But here's the problem. Well, most of these people are not telling you the whole truth about how they actually launch these coins. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why they're making it sound much easier than it actually is, and exactly what they're missing, and exactly what you should do instead. If you want to launch a meme coin that actually has a chance to become more than just a pump and dump, so can you make thousands of dollars in a matter of days doing this? Yes, absolutely you can. Can you simply rug people in the first 10 minutes for a few hundred or a few thousand? You can do that too, even though I can't condone that. And obviously this is just for educational purposes, right? Well, let's be real. Most people watching these videos aren't trying to avoid rugs. They just want to launch their own meme coins and cash out for quick money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why they're making it sound much easier than it actually is. Exactly what they're missing and exactly what you should do. Instead, if you want to launch a meme coin that actually has a chance to become more than just a pump and dump. Honestly, so many people are just sick of buying these coins and getting dumped on and rugged, and are now wanting to flip the script and be the ones doing the dumping. So here are things that people on YouTube get wrong in these videos. Number 1. They are launching directly on Pump.fun. This doesn't work, I'll explain in a moment. Number 2. Not using a bot or tool to bundle with multiple wallets before launching, and then using a volume bot after launching. Number 3. Using a bot but not disclosing that the bot costs anywhere from 15 to 20 Solana, or about $3,000 to $5,000 to buy a license. So I'm going to show you exactly how to launch a successful meme coin with the best bundle and volume bot, without paying thousands of dollars. So starting with number 1, trying to launch directly on Pump.fun. Look, there are literally thousands of coins being launched every hour of every day. If you try to launch a coin here, I'm sorry to break it to you, but there is almost no chance anyone is buying it. 99% of the coins launched like this will not make money. To give it a chance, you need a bundler bot and specific tools to create volume to entice other people to buy in. If you're not using these two types of tools, you have almost no chance at succeeding. Now, there are a lot of tools that do one or the other, and there are a number of all-in-one tools that cost a ridiculous amount of money in the 3 to 5K range. But in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use the best, the easiest, and the most affordable bot that you definitely want to be using. So here it is, the secret sauce. This is Meme Tools. So it's by far the best all-in-one tool and has everything you need to launch and pump a new token. It has a beautiful dashboard, unlike a lot of the other ones, which are essentially Telegram bots that you have to use within Telegram itself. You'll be able to set up your token launch, and you'll be able to distribute funds across up to 60 wallets. It will buy your chosen supply of the coin before anyone else has a chance to, even before snipers. Then you'll be able to use the volume bots to pump the coin while still owning most of the supply. And the great part is it only costs 3 Solana compared to similar ones which are in the 15 to 18 Solana range. If you don't have 3 Solana to spend on something like this, then launching a coin is probably not for you, to be honest. So if you want to buy this, you just send 3 Sol to this address, and you put your email in, and then they email you the license and the login details for your account. Now, I put a link in the description for it if you want to check it out. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get anything from them, but it's just the best tool on the market for the best price. So let's take a look at the dashboard. Here, before you get started, you need to create a new wallet on Phantom, which is going to be your funding wallet. Then you want to fund this wallet with Solana from a centralized exchange, or the Moonshot app, for example, which is probably the easiest way if you're new to crypto, because you can fund it really easily with a credit card or Apple Pay. Your funding wallet from Phantom is then going to fund your dev wallet inside the Meme Coins terminal. The first thing you're going to do in Meme Tools is generate a bunch of wallets. Now there's the option to bundle by wallets, bump it, and quick buys. In what they call human mode, you can create up to 60 separate wallets, which will allow you to automatically buy up and own a decent percentage of the supply before anyone has a chance to get in, without it looking like it's all held in one single wallet, which would be a huge red flag to anyone looking at the coin. You're going to distribute SOL from your dev wallet to all of these new wallets, and you can input the amount you want to send to each wallet in that group. Select human mode and the wallet group you just created. You then click Manage Buys and choose the min and max amount that each wallet will buy, so that it's randomized. You then choose the dev buy amount, which should be between 0.5 and maybe 2 Sol on it. If you're launching on Pump.fun, then this is what the public thinks is the only amount you own, when actually you own all of the other wallets you created as well. Next, you click Manage Launch and you can input your token name, the symbol, and a brief description here. And then if you set up a Twitter or X account, Telegram, or a website, you can put those in. You might see a lot of people copy other tokens that are already created and they just put the links to those previous tokens, website, and Twitter, etc. That's obviously a lot more scammy, so it's completely up to you if you want to do something like that. Once you click Launch Token, it will go live on Pump.fun directly, and your wallets will automatically buy the randomized amounts you chose. So now to get some volume coming in for your token, you can click Settings, and here you can set the mint and max buy amount. You set how many buys and sells you would like it to make and how delayed they'll be. So it's completely randomized and looks like real people have been buying, rather than a bot buying up all the same amount. You can set the timing to be between, say, 2 to 4 seconds, for example, and then select the location nearest to you. Once you click Start, you'll see the 3 buys and 2 sells coming in at those random intervals that you chose. This is your artificial volume coming in for the coin. You can go back and see all the wallet balances in the dashboard, and you can choose to sell them individually. Or if you want, you can click Sell All and it will sell all of the wallet balances. This will essentially mean you'll be rugging the coin, so that's on you if you want to do that. So anyway, that was a basic overview of the Meme Tools dashboard, which is honestly the best thing you can buy if you want to do this yourself. Now there's obviously a lot more that goes into starting a successful meme coin, but you could have the best idea in the world, and if you're not using a tool like this to get it off the ground, it's very unlikely that anyone is ever going to see it, won't see it, or won't buy it. I hope this video helped you realize that you can't believe everything you see on YouTube, and that there's usually more to making money that most people don't want to tell you. This is a new channel, but I'll be making more videos soon with more tips and tricks using the bot and several different strategies you can use. So make sure you like and subscribe and don't miss out on my future videos. No one else will tell you these strategies on YouTube because they want to gatekeep everything. I hope this video helped you, and the official Meme Tools bot is linked in the description. I'll just say again that this video is for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.